Lacson on Taguig invite, I might drown in flood water. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net. So yun yung sinabi niya nung inimbitahan siya ni Cayetano na pumunta sa Taguig para makita yung mga sinasabi daw na ghost projects. Parang sinasabi lang dito ni Cayetano na papatunayan ko hindi ghost project yan. Ganun yung sinasabi niya dito. Anyway, basahin natin itong article. Senator Panfilo Ping Lacson on Sunday turned down Senate Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano's invitation for him and his staff to visit Taguig to see for themselves the flood control projects in the city. Ito po ang sabi ni Lacson sa kanyang post sa social media. Maybe next time when the flood control program in Taguig has been fixed. It's been a while since I practiced swimming. May joke siya din, no? I might drown in flood water, lol. May konting pasaring eh. Pag natapos na lang daw yung flood control project, saka lang daw siya pupunta. On July 28, he announced in another post on X that he had turned over to the Office of the Ombudsman pieces of evidence gathered by his office about supposedly anomalous infrastructure projects in Taguig, the political bailiwick of the Cayetanos. Aray mo. May nakita pong mga ebidensya daw, na merong ghost projects or mga doble bayad. Alam niyo naman yung ibinalita natin dito sa nung nakarang episode. Yung mga doble bayad sa ilang projects din sa Taguig. Yun yung isiniwalat niya sa X, sa dating Twitter. Ganun. Lacson said that from 2020 to 2025 alone, the city accumulated 14.4 billion worth of infrastructure projects, adding that the evidence he submitted may be enough to support cases for plunder, malversation, and graft against those responsible. So, maaari daw makasuhan si Cayetano at iba pang kasama dito ng plunder, malversation, at graft. Yun lang. Ano magagawa natin kung matibay ebidensya? Diba? Tignan natin kung kailan sasampayan ni Ping Lacson. Anyway, Cayetano for his part has repeatedly denied the accusations. In a Facebook live stream on Saturday, yung sa kanyang pa-Facebook live lagi, he extended the invite to Lacson, his staff, and everyone. Sa lahat daw, pwede raw pumunta. Ito ang sabi niya, mga kaibigan, sabi ni Cayetano, it is different when it's on paper or in pictures. Look at the budget. Go to the place and you will see that the project is really there and it is beautiful. Parang si James lang nagsabi na eh, no? And that is beautiful. Yun ang sabi niya. He also said he used to admire Lacson. Wow. Dati pala siyang crush. Ba't naging crush? Adding that he hopes the senator can return to his old stance of fighting for the truth. Fighting for the truth daw. Ay na, fighting for the truth naman yung ginagawa niya. Cayetano also reiterated that he was ready to answer all the allegations against him, saying that to the best of my knowledge, there are no ghost projects here. There are technical matters and there are things that needed to be explained. So, sinasabi lang dito ni Cayetano na nakakasiguro siyang walang ghost project o mga kung ano-ano mang anomalya doon sa mga Taguig infrastructure projects. Yun yung sabi niya. Sabi niya yan eh. Ano po masasabi niyo sa invite ni Cayetano kay Lacson para sa flood control project sa Taguig? Comment down below!